Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deploy a complete virtual machine using Terraform step by step. We will create network, subnet, public IP, network interface, and finally a Linux VM, all using code. Firstly, what is Terraform and why we use it? Terraform is an infrastructure as a code tool, meaning instead of manually creation Azure resources, we can automate everything using code. This helps with repeatability, version control, and faster deployment. For this demo, we required some prerequisites. First of all, Azure CLI installed, Terraform installed, and we required Azure subscription and SSH key ready. Let's move to VS Code. By using main.tf file as you shown on screen, first a provider block. This part define Azure provider which tells Terraform we are deploying to Azure. Group data. We are using an existing resource group using data and the Azure RM resource group. This, secondly, virtual network. Here we create a virtual network and subnet. It's like a private network where our VM will lie. And next, that is a public IP and network interface. Uh, we attach a public IP and network interface. This connect our VM to the internet. And in last, we finally the block define our Ubuntu virtual machine, where is name, location of our resource group, location of virtual machine, size of our machine, user name, and also it's use this network interface ID. You notice here we use SSH as the public key for securing login and pick the Ubuntu version 22.4 LTS image. We also outputting the public IP so we can easily log SSH into our virtual machine after deployment. We can run this script by in this we use the Terraform command. First, Terraform init. This command initialize your work directory containing Terraform configuration file, download provider plugin, and set up backend if you use remote state. Terraform init. Now it's initializing the provider. This step we do once per project when adding a new provider. It is not required every time to run this. Uh, Later we run Terraform plan. What this command did. This Terraform plan is like a dress rehearsal. It tell you as exactly which resource will be created or modified in Azure before we actually make the changes. Always review this so you can nothing unexpected happen. So we can check how many things are affected, how many things we create, or is anything deleted by this command, this script. Okay. So as we see, this will add five of the resources. You can go bit up. You can see what will what will installed. Okay, here if we can see Azure virtual machine created. Okay, this SSH key passed from our local to Azure. VM and OS disk, image references, network interface, public IP will created, subnet will created, and virtual network will created. And the all count goes to five. Five resource will be created. After this, uh, we can apply this Terraform apply. Again, I'm making mistake. Terraform apply. Apply the actual creation or modification of resources in this as according to Terraform plan. Again, it's asking you perform action. Are you accepted to approve? We proceed with yes. This command is where the magic happens. Terraform talk to Azure and create virtual network, subnet, network interface, public IP, and Linux VM all automatically. It take a few minutes. I think virtual machine VM. Now it's created. It says the five resources added, but now we not able to see this public IP. We can try with Terraform output. Again, we're not able to see this IP. Okay, no problem. We can see on Azure portal. Now we can refresh this page. Okay. The same the my VM, the name we provided in our file is created. Click on this. Okay, click on connect. Copy this file, copy this path, and go to terminal. Go to terminal, clear screen, and cd ssh. Okay, currently we are on ssh ls. There is a private key. Now we can change our key path name id underscore rsa. I required to run this command with sudo because my system it will not edit fingerprint to list. Now it's asking this host trying to establish connection with uh, this RSSH key. This key is not known by other name. Are you sure you want to connect? For this, I am pressing yes. It's adding this IP. Okay, and now we able to connect with this Azure VM we created. We okay, we can run some basic commands sudo apt update to checking is apt update. You can see how can we deploy resource using infrastructure as a code in as a Terraform. And now if you want to delete the all resources, so and the same thing if same thing you can do first. First go to the Visual Studio Code. If you want to delete all the resources created by this Terraform file configuration file, write Terraform destroy auto approve. Why I add auto approve? It's not asking for our approval. It directly deleted without asking yes or no. Now it's going to delete our this command going to delete all the resources created by this file. We when like after this command we can cross check on Azure portal also. Waiting for few minutes. 0 0 change 5 to destroy. It takes a few minutes. Now you can see 5 resources destroyed. Let's first confirm from Azure portal. Okay, now we can refresh this page. Okay, resource not found. I'm going to go back to this and refresh. No resource found. Okay. By this video, you can see how can we deploy and how can we delete after the work life cycle is completed. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.